Hey loves, let's go ahead and unbox my new baby. I am trying to get myself in shape for this new year, so I went ahead and got me a new elliptical. So let's get into this intro. Welcome to All Things Leak. I am Leak. I do travel product vlogs along with hair and nail videos. It's been a minute, I know, but I've been going through some life changes. I truly appreciate y'all love and support. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Let's not forget, you can show some love by subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications button so you don't miss a thing. Let's get into this video. So he's grabbing the instructions and seeing that we can't move anything in the cardboard until we release this board from the magnetic wheel. So he's going to do that, and then he's going to cut the board open, get all of these million pieces out, because it do mean a million pieces. It comes in a bunch of pieces. Academy Sports, I know, does offer delivery with setup. We did not choose that option because we purchased it, put it in the back of the truck, and went home to set it up. So here he is, my husband, my handyman, doing all the work. I am the camera girl, the inspiration, and grab this or grab that. That's all I do. I love him. So he's putting this elliptical together. We're counting all the pieces because I do mean a million pieces, and getting that magnetic wheel. Now, speaking of that wheel, that thing is silent. Oh, don't forget, before use or before trying to read the instructions, we slow down for that. But that thing is silent and smooth. So we played in Academy Sports, I want to say, and I do say play, about 3-4 times on the same elliptical before we decided to go ahead and purchase it, because it's so smooth. It's really quiet, and since it's in my office, that was a must have. So we love it. It has a resistance as well, goes up to 20 levels of resistance. It has, I believe, 18 or 20 levels of stride. The foot pads is big enough for him. He's a size 12. I'm a size 6.5, and it just works for all of us. The capacity of weight, in case you're interested, is 325. He's just going to go ahead and continue to set it up. I'm going to let y'all watch and see, and at the end, it's put together. He's on it so you can see how it works. It's very smooth.
Just gotta figure it out.
Turn the volume down. Them beeps is loud. There you go. I was super happy that we can adjust the volume. Like I said, it's smooth and silent. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.